Hello, this video is on making a scatter plot in Excel. Here we have some data that I got from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. This shows the unemployment rate in Arizona for various months for the years 2010 to 2020. And you can see for 2020 we have only data up through July. The data in August is not finished, and the September and through December data has not occurred yet. For our scatter plot, we are going to use the year and the January unemployment data. I have copied that into sheet 1 for us. Making a scatter plot is very straightforward. We're going to go to the Insert tab at the top of our ribbon. Then over here in the Charts area, go to the last option, which is Scatter Plot. So you can see Insert Scatter XY or Bubble Chart. It's this one with the dots. We want a basic scatter plot, so just scatter with points. And here is our blank chart. Click on this and select Data should appear. We're going to add legend entries. For series name, we can put the title of the data, January unemployment in Arizona. The x-axis is our explanatory variable, which in this case is the year. And then the y-values will be the unemployment numbers for January of that year. Click OK. You'll see when we click OK, we have the horizontal axis labels already filled in because we put that in under the legend entry. Click OK again, and here you have our scatter plot. To add labels, click on this plus sign, click on Axis Titles. Down here I'm going to type year, and on the side will be unemployment numbers. And that's all there is to making a scatter plot in Excel.